We have made a lot of videos about how to buy a car, what to do, what not to do, how to buy a car and resell it to gain more wealth, and even the cost of repairs, the quality, cost of ownership, reliability, and so many factors. So today I have prepared 4 main factors that you must know mandatory before you're going to buy a car, especially for the first time buyers. And I keep saying this, so I cannot waste much time on this tutorial. So stay tuned. Let's go for a quick commercial break and we'll be right back. So this is what we have to consider when you're buying a car. Number one is the quality. We all know quality is more important when you are going to buy a car, and with that quality you are going to lose, you are going to you are not going to get profit, you are not going to get anything. So it's more important for you to know what you are going to buy. These and many factors you need to consider doing this. Consider making these things will also help you think, sit down, revise what you are doing, do more research about what you are doing in order for you to purchase it, and purchase it well. So this is factor number one. Factor number two is cost of ownership. Cost of ownership is more important. So you have to set your budget. You have to know where you are taking the money from. You have to know what the car will bring, the money that you use. You have to know the benefits, the interest, the wealth that you are going to make, the income, the earnings. So you have to think about the money you are going to use to purchase the car is more important, and the benefit that will bring for you, whether you are using for business, whatsoever. That one is you can judge. But what I'm trying to say is to set your budget. Compare prices to know which one is suitable for you. Don't just get into buying a car, gather all your money, hard time, and going to buy a car. If you don't get luck to buy a crap car, then that is the end. You are finished. So you need to consider this. Number three is the reliability. Reliability is more important. Buying a car that you cannot able to use it, buying a car that you cannot feel good, feel active to drive it, is also something else different. So you need to consider the reliability, how you can use it in town, how fast the car is, and even the simple use of the car is more important, depending on the business and the kind of work you are going to use the car for. So you need to consider that. Number four is the resale. After using the car for some years, if you want to resell the car, you have to get some income, so that's the profitable side of it. So resale is more important, and this is what everybody is doing, especially in the Ghanaian market. Resale is the main thing that everybody is doing. So we are capable to alerting people and those who are willing to buy a car, because I get a lot of calls from all over the country, even outside the country. So people are like less knowledge about these things, so they need our assistance, they need our help, so that they can able to pursue. So when they call, we also manage to help them. We also manage to consider them. We also manage to help them in a way that they can also be satisfied. I get a lot of calls from people here and there, so I do help them. I get all my time for them to explain. So when it need to meet the person one-on-one, we schedule a time I can assist the person to buy a car, then we are good to go. So these and many things I'm considering. So quality is more important. The quality of the car, you have to check the engine, you have to check the car that you are going to buy, check whether the car is floating in the system, the efficiency economically, the cost of repairs, the availability of mechanics in your area where you live. You have to check these things before you buy a car. So the quality will guarantee whether your money you are going to use to buy a car will come out or you get profitable. This is why I'm saying the quality is more important. So check the quality that you can able to use this car to do your business and get extra income. Use it. Flexibility, reliability will depend on the quality. We are talking about the quality. We have to check about the transmission, the engine, the chassis, the body, and then the car itself, the rating in the system, the spare parts, the cost of repairs. This is what we call the quality. So consider that and it will help you. When it comes to cost of ownership, it's money that you are going to use to buy it. So you need also to consider you are not going to lose your hard time earning for one car, which is wrong. This is Eric Auto Center. Please, if you really like my content, please do so to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon to stay updated, and don't forget to share this video to many people so that they can also get benefit. This is Eric Auto Center Worldwide, the only automotive channel in Ghana at the moment. So let everybody support it. If you get this video, please share it. Tag someone you know. Share to many people. Someone needs it, not you alone. Let's share it and put your comment in the comment section. I'll come your way with more videos on car comparison. Stay tuned, and until we meet next time, be better and not bitter. Bye bye.